Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, popping in to talk to you about Thanksgiving again. Y'all know Thanksgiving's in a few weeks, and I have got another side dish that you're gonna absolutely love, and it's called Peggy's broccoli casserole. It's on page 85 of Happiness is Homemade. You can find my book on Amazon, order it, it'll come right to your home. So Happiness is Homemade on Amazon. It's on sale right now, so y'all pop on there and grab your book. You're gonna need all these recipes for Thanksgiving. Now, and y'all go ahead and save and share this video so you can have, and your neighbors can have a good side at Thanksgiving. Now y'all, I know I'm popping in here early, but with this time change, I woke up at 4:27 this morning. I normally get up at 5:30. So anyway, at 4:27 this morning, I was up and at it already. So I know it's early in the morning, but I just want you to know I'm not used to the time change yet. If you're not used to the time change yet, y'all give me a thumbs up because I'm right there with you. I know when I used to be raising my babies, my children, they would always get real cranky after time change. And also, when I was a teacher, my students would be real cranky after the time change. And also, now, here I am thinking I'm not cranky, but I'm up before the sun rises a long time. So y'all give me some hints below. If you got some good hints on how I can get myself on the right time schedule now that the time has changed, y'all write it below because I could use the hints. Because like I said, I'm up real early this morning. All right, enough chatting. Let's do Peggy's broccoli casserole. Y'all, this is one of my favorites. She brings it to Thanksgiving every year, and I always run to get that broccoli casserole. I make sure she's got it, and then I go get me a big dollop of it. So what we're going to need to start off is about 12 ounces of broccoli. Now, y'all, this is just frozen broccoli, and I've put it in here and let it thaw just a minute. And then it says you need to chop it, but instead of chopping it, I'm using my shears, and I'm just gonna go in there like this and cut it up. We don't always have to be messing up a chopping board, so this is how I do mine. I like the chunks of broccoli in it, but I don't want a ginormous chunk of broccoli in it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting it up. All right. Well, that was easy. Now, your oven should be cranked up to about 350, so mine is. And here we go with the next stuff. We're going to need 12 ounces of cottage cheese, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. So that's what we're doing right now. All righty, we got to do some mixing up together. So I'm going to swap around and get my little mixing cup here and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is crack my eggs. Now, y'all, not only did I have trouble this morning, but my Facebook Live had trouble this morning. So if any of y'all are seeing me out there, give me a thumbs up so I'll know somebody's there, because it kind of looks like it's having trouble this morning. All right, got my eggs done, and I'm going to add my butter. And I'm going to use my whisk and whisk this together. Y'all, this is really good. Now, this is not the big casserole dish that you're going to use. It's the 8x8 one. And if you want to use the big casserole dish, you're going to have to double your recipe. But I'm doing a small one today. Now, for Thanksgiving, I'll double it because, I got a lot of mouths to feed. Another thing I got to do is whisk in the flour. So that's 3 tablespoons. Ooh, did y'all see that flour fly? I'm making a mess in my kitchen. All right, we're gonna whisk that together good. I hope y'all are doing all right. But like I said, today is I just got up so early, I thought I'd go ahead and get this done, and then I've got stuff we gotta go to do tonight. So I thought I'd get this done and then move on with my day. Now I'm using 12 ounces of cottage cheese. Now y'all don't turn your nose up at this cottage cheese. They're never going to see it, okay? They're not going to see the cottage cheese, and they're not going to know what's in there, but it's going to give a good tangy taste. I promise you, I would not steer you wrong. All right. Just stir that up. Whisk it up together. And then what we're going to do is pour in that 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar. Oops. Now see, that's not wanting to come out. Y'all, I really put a lot of cheese in there. And if you want extra cheese, add it. But I just made sure it was really packed in there good because I like that cheesy flavor. And that cottage cheese in there gives it some cheesy flavor too. So anyway, there we go. Okay, we've about got this mixed up. So then what we do is we pour this over this, the broccoli. And we just get it stirred up good, and then we put it in our casserole dish. And we're gonna bake it for an hour at 350. Now I need a better spoon than that. Y'all hang on. Oh, here's one. Hang on. And then you just stir it together. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Y'all just would not believe how delicious this is. Coat all that broccoli with it. I see one that I did not cut up well, so y'all give me a minute. Do y'all ever use kitchen shears instead of getting out the chopping board? I do. All right. Now, I do spray mine. I always do because I think, you know, why risk it? Okay. Got my baking dish. Gonna pour this in. Dun, dun, dun. Now, how beautiful. Y'all, this is a really delicious thing, and you know, you can cook it ahead of time. It's just delicious. All right, we're gonna have a good time with this broccoli casserole. Okay, this is what it looks like going in the oven. And remember, it's 350 for 1 hour. And now, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's done. Is that not gorgeous? Look, I put it in my antique dish. Is that not gorgeous? Here you go. All right, now I'm gonna taste of it. Y'all know me. Oh, but before I do, I could get some of this and let it cool. Just hang on. Get me a bite. Y'all, oh my goodness. I want you to see how pretty this is. See how pretty this is? It is just brown and wonderful on the top, and it's so cheesy on the inside. And oh, it's gonna be so good. And I'm gonna let that cool a second, and then I wanna talk to you about Robbie McAlpine, you behave yourself. Anyway, if y'all read the comments, you'll see Robbie's one of my buddies. Okay, behave yourself. Anyway, let's move on with this. Let's talk about the towel. Y'all, so many people love this from Miss Arlette. And y'all, Miss Wanda gifted me with this towel on my last video. But anyway, you know, this is embroidered, all hand done. Even the lace is hand done. So we've been talking to Miss Arlette. So many of y'all want to purchase one of these. So we're talking to her now to see how many she might want to make. And I'll make some kind of an announcement probably next week about this. So Miss Wanda's talking to Miss Arlette, and we'll see, because this is just the cutest thing. And those cute little chickens on the bottom, I know it. And one of a kind, beautiful, handcrafted, very talented lady that makes this. So I wanted to show y'all this and hang tight for an announcement next week about this. Okay, now it's time for me to eat this broccoli casserole. Take a little bite. Let's see how this is. Oh, it's delicious. That cheese. And y'all, if you notice, I didn't add that much cheese, just 1/2 cup. It is so good. Y'all, your family's gonna love this. They're gonna love Peggy's broccoli casserole. It's delicious. And y'all can do this broccoli casserole at Thanksgiving. So y'all save this video and share it so that you'll be able to use it at Thanksgiving, okay? And be watching for my post. And y'all know I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And y'all have a really good day. Go out and vote. I'm going to go head out and vote in just a little bit. And just let you know that We got to stand for something. So let's go out and vote. I tell you what, my son and my family endured my son being in Afghanistan for a long time so that we could have the right to vote. And a lot of my family members have been in the military and have served so that we have the right to vote. So y'all go out, get out of your kitchen, get out of your wherever your normal space is, and go vote today. Okay, I love you. The good Lord loves you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.